Today we are gonna play Roblox. Obviously, in my other video, I was so stupid I didn't remember the titled it. Okay, move on. We are gonna play. I just actually remember. I'm gonna go through. So let's play Roblox in high school. I didn't play Roblox in high school like a year, and there's an update. Okay. Let's go and play. Before that, we are going to do this. We're joining in. It's like the. Okay. Yay! As I say. Game by Red Mantelic, I think. So we did it tomorrow. Let's go on the shoulder. And I wish I had got a drift bike. No, I didn't get a drift track. But I think I bought a go-kart. Dude, the car's stuck. How do I? Yep. I do. Bye bye. I do. Goodbye. Oof. Bye. Bye. La. You know how to drive. How do you drive? How do you drive? How do you drive? How do you drive? Okay, I know how to drive. Lies. This is a good driving skills. And where are we going? I don't know. Then we're going in a highway. Wrong way. Highway. Do you not even know where's highway? I do not know. Why do you not put a map? Oh, no. Ah. Oof. I'm gonna die if I don't move. Okay. Come on. What the hell did I hit? I was like, blah, blah, I'm gonna die. So, ouch. Do I even know what I can? No. But there's a spaceship. This is too far. How can a drift bike and like a go-kart can go that fast? Everyone, do I know how to drive? I do not know how to. Oh, I thought I was going to go back to school day is here. You really? No one judge me. That's how to. Kids. I can pay? Did I pay? I never paid. I have my color pick on there. That didn't work. That didn't work. I thought I paid. I didn't pay even though I didn't pay. Oh, I don't wanna die. I don't wanna die. Hey, I don't wanna die. Hey, I don't wanna die. Okay. I'll stop. But if I'll stop, where's my good guy? So, lol. How dare someone put my name? You know I'm a bunny. I'm a cute bunny here. The face. You know the face? You know the face? You know the face? This is not even your face. But only for a cute face. And if I would rather, I would not go close to that deaf guy. He wants to kill me and I don't want to know. She's gone. That's great. Hey, where's my song? I put it for like an hour and then it stopped. Okay, now I can hear, but you guys can only hear like a gin. Office. I'm an office teacher. I'm a teacher. I'm a bad girl. You scared me, dude, and I don't want to be dead. Oh, I'm gonna die. Cool. If you're wondering who's my boyfriend, here. Go to this. You go here and see who it's at. It's on my other account, and his name is XX because why does people have XX except no, please stop. Now let's move on. Let's go on. Okay, you guys may not. Have you guys seen my password? You cannot know my password. Only my friends that I realized I gave her a password, and that was really rude to do. She didn't. Yay! Lemon. I haven't talked to Lucas for years. Yeah. Well, before that, bye-bye. How do I do this? Do I press the stop button?